Welcome back to the Bishop School Pre-Primary Standard Junior KG. Today we are having English dictation exam. Children, before we start with the exam, let's recite a school prayer. Stand in your places, join your hands and close your eyes and recite the prayer after me. Almighty God, grant grace to the members of this school to be sincere in work, play and prayer, so that teachers and thought learning from each others may become more fit for thy service and the service of their fellows. Okay, children, you may open your eyes and sit down. Hello parents, please follow the instructions. Today, our children are having English dictation exam. And I have already mentioned in English dictation we are going to ask small letter A to Z in dodging, capital letter A to Z dodging and 2-letter words which we have already done earlier. So the test is conducted for the children, not for the parents. I hope you all can understand what I am trying to say. Parents, exam बच्चों के लिए रखी गई है, parents के लिए नहीं है. So you don't have to help your child. You just have to sit beside your child and guide. आपको सिर्फ आपके बच्चे के बाजू में बैठना है और गाइड करना है. You don't have to write. Let your child take the efforts of writing. We just want to see whether your child is able to write independently or no. Is that clear, parents? Okay, thank you. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So you all are ready for your exam? Today you all are having English dictation exam. So you all are prepared for the English dictation exam? Okay, all the best. Children, open your test book. Previous test also we had done in the same book. And now this time also English dictation also we are going to write in the same book. So open your book, children. Yes. First unit test also we had done in the same book and we have started with the first term exam. On 20th October we had done English writing exam. On 5 number you all had written with the small A to Z. Backside you all have written capital A to Z. And here on page number 6 you all have done copywriting. Now what you have to do, you have to take the next page. Okay? Next page पे हम लोग English dictation करेंगे. So this page you have to leave. We are going to start from page number 7. Page number 7 पे हम लोग English dictation लिखेंगे. So first thing you have to write today's date. Here in the corner draw one line. Okay? What is today's date? 25th October. 25th October. So how are you going to write 2525 dash 1010 and 21. 2121. 25 dash 10 dash 21. Here in the center you are going to write dictation. DICT. Okay? You all are done? In the center you have to write dictation. DICT. And here outside the margin you have to put one dot. Why we have to put a dot? Because we have to begin the numbers. We have to write numbers. 1 to 12 numbers. Okay? So start writing the numbers. Numbers लिखने हैं 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, all are done with the numbers. First line dictation, DICT dictation. On the second line you have to start with the dictation. Okay, here outside the margin you have to write the numbers. आपको numbers लिखने हैं 1 to 12. And now here we are going to start with dictation. And what teacher said? इन डिक्टेशन व्हाट टीचर गोइंग टू आस्क, टीचर ने क्या कहा था, A to Z, small letter A to Z in dodging, capital letter A to Z in dodging, and 2 letter words. Already we have done in HW book. Okay. So in a test also I am going to ask the same thing. Small letter A to Z, capital letter A to Z, and 2 letter words. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. On number 1. On number 1. What are you going to write on the number 1? Capital letter K. What are you going to write? Capital letter K. K for kite. K for kite. Capital letter K. Teacher not going to show you how to write capital letter K. You should know to write capital letter K. Okay? You have to start, begin from red line. Capital letter K. K for kite. I like to fly kite. On number 1, capital letter K. लिखा आपने? Okay, very nice children. Now on number 2. Number 2 पे क्या लिखने का है? Pay attention. Here on number 2, small letter R. R for rabbit. R for rose. Small letter R. Capital letter बोला है टीचर ने? No. Teacher said small letter R. तो आपको आता है ना स्मॉल लेटर आर लिखने के लिए? यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन स्मॉल लेटर ए टू जेड. सो व्हाट टीचर सेड ऑन द सेकेंड नंबर, आपको क्या लिखना है? स्मॉल लेटर आर. स्मॉल लेटर आर लिखा आपने? यस चिल्ड्रन, यू हैव डन, रिटन. ओके, वेरी नाइस. नाउ ऑन नंबर 3. नंबर 3 पे क्या लिखना है? 2 letter words. 2 letter words. No. What teacher said? 2 letter words. No. आपको आता है ना? टीचर ने सिखाया था 2 letter words. So on 3 number what you are going to write? No. आपको no की स्पेलिंग लिखनी है. 2 letter words. On 3 number you have to write no. On 3 number what you are going to write? No. Okay, very good. Now on 4 number. Okay. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ऐसा फिंगर रखने का और राइट में इधर लिखने का. ओके. On number 4. Number 4, what are you going to write? Capital letter H. Capital letter H. H for horse. H for helicopter. Okay? Capital letter H. H for horse. Horse is a domestic animal. Yes. Capital letter H. Capital letter H. लिखा आपने? Okay, very nice. On 5 number. Keep your finger on 5 number. Okay. Now what are you going to write on 5 number? Small letter C. C for cat. C for cupboard. C for candle. C for cake. Yes. Small letter C. You finished writing? Small letter C. लिखा आपने? Small letter C. C for cupboard. C for cat. Okay. Now on 6 number. 6 number पे फिंगर रखो और इधर लिखना है. What are you going to write? 2 letter words. Up. 2 letter words. Up. आपकी स्पेलिंग क्या है? Come on children, think. What is the spelling of up? टीचर ने सिखाया था ना आपको? 2 letter words रीडिंग में. Okay. Now on 6 number finish writing up. Think and write. What is the spelling of up? Okay. Very nice children. Very good. My all children are good. Now on 7 number. On 7 number, what are you going to write? Capital letter B. Capital letter B. B for ball. B for balloon. B for basket. Now teacher said capital letter B. So you have to write capital letter B. On 7 number, capital letter B. On 7 number, what are you going to write children? Capital letter B. आता है ना आपको capital ABCD? Okay. 7 number, capital letter B. You are done? Okay. Very nice. Now on 8 number. 8 number पे क्या है? Small letter Z. Teacher not going to show you now how to write small letter Z. आपको आता है ना? Small letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z for zoo. Small letter Z. Small letter Z. यहाँ पर आपको क्या लिखना है 8 नंबर पे? Small letter Z. Small letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Small letter Z. Okay, very good. Now on 9 number. On 9 number, what are you going to write? 2 letter words. My. 2 letter words. My. Come on children, think how you are going to write spelling of my. आपको आती है ना? You know now how to write 2 letter words. What is the spelling of my? Come on think. Yes, very nice. My की spelling आती है ना आपको? यहाँ पर लिखना है. Okay, on 9 number what are you going to write? My. Spelling 2 letter words की लिखना है इधर. My. Okay, very good. Now on 10 number. 10 number. You are going to write capital letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. We use umbrella in rainy season. Capital letter U. टीचर ने कैपिटल लेटर यू बोला है तो आपको कैपिटल लेटर यू लिखना है. ऑन 10 नंबर व्हाट यू गोइंग टू राइट? कैपिटल लेटर यू. पेरेंट्स यू डोंट हैव टू हेल्प योर चाइल्ड. आपके बच्चे को ही लिखने दो, आपके बच्चे को आता है. ऑन 10 नंबर व्हाट यू गोइंग टू राइट? कैपिटल लेटर यू. कैपिटल लेटर यू. यू फॉर यूनिफॉर्म. U for umbrella. Yes, capital letter U. Very nice children. Now on 11 number. 11 number पे क्या लिखना है आपको अभी? Small letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Small letter T. T for tomato. T for tiger. लिखा आपने? Small letter T. Small letter T. Small letter T. On 11 number what are you going to write? T. Small letter T. T for tomato. T for tiger. Yes. On 11 number you have to write small letter T. Yes. You have done with 11 number. Okay. Now last. 12 number. 12 number what are you going to write? 2 letter words. Go. आपको इधर go की spelling लिखनी है. आपको आती है ना? टीचर ने सिखाया था. So, go, lo, no. Yes children. Come on think. What is the spelling of go? Yes, that's right. आपको आती है ना? Okay, on 12 number what you going to write? Go. On 12 number what you going to write? Go. 2 letter words. Yes, that's all for today. Okay, we are done with English dictation. Okay? Chalo, thank you. Thank you so much parents for your love and support. Thank you children for the efforts you all have taken in writing your English dictation exam. Bye. Take care. Love you all.